Asbestos was commonly used in construction and manufacturing in the 20th century, but in the 1970s and 80s, it was found to cause serious health problems. As a result, many people filed claims against companies that used asbestos and the insurance companies that provided coverage to those companies. The Second Circuit considered one such claim in Stonewall Insurance Company versus Asbestos Claims Management Corporation. National Gypsum Company manufactured building materials containing asbestos for over 50 years. Approximately 100,000 claimants brought asbestos-related claims against Gypsum. Gypsum carried liability insurance through multiple insurers until 1985, when insurers explicitly excluded asbestos-related claims. Before that, Gypsum's policies covered all injury and damages caused by an occurrence, defined as an accident or exposure resulting in personal injury or property damage that was neither expected nor intended by the insured. Several insurers, including Stonewall Insurance Company, brought a declaratory action against Gypsum, later known as Asbestos Claims Management Corporation, asking the court to clarify Gypsum's right to indemnification for asbestos-related claims. Among other things, the insurers argued that Gypsum knew about the likelihood of injury from its products, meaning it expected or intended those injuries, excluding them from coverage. Similarly, the insurers asserted that the known loss defense applied because Gypsum knew about the injuries before its policies took effect. In support of its assertion that it didn't know about, expect, or intend asbestos-related injuries, Gypsum presented the testimony of a 36-year employee who served as records custodian and spoke with many other employees. The district court concluded, among other things, that neither policy exclusions nor the known loss defense barred indemnification. Multiple insurers appealed, arguing the court applied the wrong burden of proof, incorrectly applied a subjective instead of objective test, erred in requiring insurers to prove that element on a product-by-product basis, erred in allowing the Gypsum employee to testify, and misapplied the known loss defense. The Second Circuit consolidated various appeals and considered the parties' arguments.